Hey everybody, it's Supergirl KY here again with another Cricut creation, and this time we are going to be using heat transfer to make these awesome Bachelorette Koozies. So to make this layout, I went ahead and I got them off a website, which I will put in the description below. It is called Wine and Sprinkles, and it has an entire guide of how to go about doing this, but most importantly, this is where you get the template for this design. So you're going to click where it says download cut files here, and you are going to get a download. And once you get that download, you will see that there is one for Bride Tribe and the Bride. So then after that, you're going to go back into your Cricut and you're going to go to Upload, and you're going to browse and find those two files and insert them into the Upload section. And you're going to click Cut Image and Upload, and then you're going to select that and input it into your design. Once they are uploaded, you can go ahead and resize each one to the appropriate size you would like. I did mine 2.5 by 3, I believe. And then you're going to want to make sure you have mirror on all three when you go to make it, and select the everyday iron on from the list of materials. One thing to note is when you put your heat transfer vinyl onto your mat, make sure that the shiny side is on the sticky side of the mat. So you want the non-shiny side up. Now when ironing on everything, you want to have wood or something that conducts heat below what you are ironing. And you want to have the iron on the cotton setting. And I believe I held it down for about 10 seconds, 10 to 15 seconds. And you do not want to shimmy the iron when it's on top. You just simply want to lay it flat. And you can check it, and once you're done, you just go ahead and peel it off. The key thing is to not shimmy it. If you shimmy it, it will smear the heat transfer and you won't get a nice crisp looking koozie. And there you have it, guys. How to make a Bachelorette koozie. Now if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I will attach all links in the description below. And as always, it has been a pleasure, and have a super day.